नमस्ते, गुड इवनिंग सभी को रिपब्लिक डे की शुभकामनाएँ। आपस में आपने बहुत सारे मिठाई, लड्डू वगैरह बाँटे होंगे और झंडा लहराया होगा। सो हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द मैसेजेस। ये जो मैसेज पिछले हफ्ते में हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सेलिब्रेशन वाला पिछला मैसेज था और यहीं से शुरू हो रहा है ये इस हफ्ते का मैसेज कि मतलब लेट्स सेलिब्रेट। ऐसे लग रहा है कि कुछ बहुत ही कठिन जो है वो संपन्न हो गया। Something which was very difficult or maybe challenging, we are past that hump. It appears that way to me about the next week or next few weeks rather. So let's start the messages for this coming week, which is starting from 27th of Jan. And the first card which came up was from the animal spirit card is giraffe. So the giraffe is telling that I easily maintain awareness of the intended outcome and release distractions. So whatever the goals are right now, to release the distraction is an essential part and to maintain, of course, awareness. So I'll read better. My approach to life is from a higher perspective. I'm an I am in alignment with my intuitive vision of positive outcomes. I see my future filled with well-being and happiness. तो अपना वेल-बीइंग एंड हैप्पीनेस का मतलब ये होता है कि हम अपने जो अच्छे विचार मतलब जो कुछ भी अभी हो रहा है उसके बारे में एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक रखें, एक अच्छे मतलब मन में ऐसे रखें कि हाँ, ये सब कुछ ठीक होगा, अच्छा होगा और उस हिसाब से आगे बढ़ें। So that is the first card from the giraffe. And I think this is, if you just look more into it, the giraffe is like, though it's coming out of a summer, like there are no leaves on, much leaves on the trees, but there are flowers. So it is almost towards the end of the celebration round that the giraffe appears. And it is also saying that, even further to this. I need to maintain my alignment with the alignment with my intuitive vision. So whatever I'm thinking, intuiting, whatever I'm receiving, I have to be in alignment with that, and to pray that I'm always in alignment with whatever vision I see. So don't get distracted by some if a friend says so, or if you feel tired and you don't want to make commitments, you don't want to work on your commitments, don't get into these stories and go ahead. So welcome Shivani, welcome, thank you for being here live. The second card, I think it's a repeat, I think from previous thing, but I will read it from the guidebook. मैं guidebook में से पढ़ूंगी कि ये वाला क्यों repeat होते जा रहा है. तो become a clear channel और नंबर 5 है इसका. तो मैं इसे पढ़ूंगी guidebook में से कि इसका क्या मतलब है. Being a clear channel वैसे तो ये है कि same thing like being alignment with the vision and getting rid of the distraction. तो ये continuation है पिछले वाले कार्ड का, but let's see it. I think it's repeating from past some weeks. Your sole purpose right now is to sweep away all mental debris, confusion, and psychic clutter that's preventing you from being a receptive, clear channel for your higher self and divine spirit. Um, your soul's lesson, take an honest inventory of all the clog all that clogs your spirit and prevents divinity from flowing through you, and then find the discipline and courage to remove those blocks. So I think maybe last year or sometime I had given an exercise that in a day or in a week, just put your timetable of a day or a week on a paper. Just put it. Just write down 7 to 8 I did this, then 8 to 9 I did this, 9 to 10 I was traveling to office, 11 I was doing this, and even in the office, what kind of work were you doing? Whether you were talking, whether you were doing this, whether you were in meetings. So write down this kind of things, and immediately you will come to know a pattern, or you will come to know that where am I getting distracted, where am I getting clogged, where am I need to give up certain activities or add certain activities. So this inventory is needed, and it's almost like January, so you can do re-inventory. So look at your calendar, what are the distractions? And more than the distractions, you can also, at the end of that exercise, you can also say that, right, that uh, when you don't have much work, are you thinking, are you worried? And worry or guilt or something, just remove that from your, or tell yourself ki worry and or getting other distractions is not the right way to do, and have the courage to go and not get it into more distractions. Ab, so the third card, so this is also a twin flame, like this card has also come up earlier. The answer to your question involves a spiritually based romantic relationship. Now, so if you're single and if you're looking for romantic relationship, this is an ideal card that that person is coming. But if you're committed and this is not actually, you're not looking for romantic relationship right now, अगर आप अभी सिंगल हैं, तब तो ये कार्ड है कि भाई आपको कोई मिलने वाला है। और आप सिंगल नहीं हैं, शादीशुदा हैं या एंगेज्ड हैं, तो इसका ये मतलब है कि जो आपके लाइफ पर्पस से अलाइन्ड कुछ घटना होने वाली है, कोई आपको उस तरह का टीचर या बुक या कोई इस तरह की घटनाएँ आपके साथ इस हफ्ते में शायद हो सकती हैं। तो उसके लिए अवेयर रहें, सचेत रहें और रिसीव करें। So I will this also I will read from the book so that it is more clear as to why this card is coming again and again. So uh, you drew this card because your twin flame is intricately involved with the answer to your question. A twin flame is a romantic partner who originated from a spiritual soul group, that he or she is the one in terms of your soulmate relationship. So recognizing कि हाँ यही इंसान है, यही है, ये भी एक पार्ट है इस वाले कार्ड का. Write a letter to your twin flame's guardian angels. Begin the letter with Dear guardian angels of my twin flame, and then express all of your feelings, thoughts, and questions about your love life. End the letter by asking these angels to prepare you to meet your twin flame or soulmate, and also arrange this visit. You'll recognize your twin flame or soulmate immediately, and there won't be any doubt in your heart or mind when you are face to face with him or her. तो आपके मन में कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन या कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क या कोई प्रश्न ना रहे जब हम किसी खास व्यक्ति से मिलें, तो तब अ, आप बिल्कुल रेडी रहें अपने ट्विन फिल्म के लिए. यही सारे मैसेजेस है. होप यू हैड ग्रेट सेलिब्रेशन शिवानी एंड प्रकाशदा. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग लाइव, and hopefully these cards mean have given you some advice or suggestions. Thank you for being live. Have a very good week ahead. Thank you.